Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. I love its taste and smell. How often do you eat your favorite food? I eat it once or twice a month. It feels special every time. Who cooks your favorite food for you? My mother usually cooks it. Her cooking is always delicious. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I enjoy spicy food. It adds more flavor and excitement. What food do you eat when you feel hungry? I eat fruits or snacks. They make me feel full quickly. Do you enjoy eating outside? Yes, I like trying new restaurants. It's fun to explore different dishes. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is ice cream. I love its sweet and cool taste. Do you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? I enjoy both. It depends on my mood and the day. What food reminds you of your childhood? Maggie reminds me of my childhood. I used to eat it after school. Would you like to try food from other countries? Yes, I would love to try it. It helps me learn about new cultures.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.